Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Enchanted Learning Palace. Okay, today we will learn about the vocabulary enhancement, and it is very necessary for a language speaker. If you don't have the words, how you can express your views. So it is very necessary for you to understand, to learn the tactics, the techniques of vocabulary building. So if you learn these things, if you learn the words, you will use them, and it will be easy for you to communicate if you have the proper words in your vocab. So let's begin. I will tell you in this video how you can improve your vocabulary, how you can enhance your vocabulary, and how I will teach you. I will guide you the proper ways of building vocabulary. I will guide you the easy way in which you do not get bored in learning, in building your vocabulary. So let's begin our lecture. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Enchanted Learning Palace. Okay, vocabulary enhancement tips for, let's begin. Learning of new words to use in everyday language. Listening and reading is only best way to learn new words. Reading, book reading, watching movies, TED Talks, podcasts. So here I have mentioned some of the techniques which are used, which can be used for enhancing your vocabulary. Book reading. Okay, book reading, you can read a book, you can read a novel, you can read something else which you like to read, and you can find new words in reading that book, and you can underline those words, or you can write on a proper your notebook, and you can find the meanings of that words, and you can memorize them, and in this way these words become your part of your vocabulary. And for memorizing them, you should use them in your daily conversation, then it can be a better way for you to enhancing your vocabulary, for the enhancement of your vocabulary. Okay, watching movies, as I told you in my previous lecture, if you are watching a movie, you should have a notepads or notebooks. On that books you can write the new words which you find in the movie, and you can write those words as same way you will do, as you can find the meanings of that words, and you can memorize them. In this way you will learn the meanings of those words, and it can be a part of your vocabulary. TED Talks, where some researchers show their views, so you can also find some words there. And podcasts are the audio listening. In that way you can also listen the new words, and you can also learn about their pronunciation, and you can use dictionaries to find the meanings. And you can also use play words games. In this way you will learn the new words as well, and their meanings as well. Okay, common phrases used in daily today conversation, and I have added these things which you can find anywhere from the internet. These things has been filled on different websites, on different things, so you can use in your daily conversation. You can get from there, and you can also learn from me. What's up, what's new, what have been up to lately, how is it going, how are things, how is life. Common phrases to say: how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Pretty good, same as always, not so great, could be better, not, can't complain. Common phrases to say: thank you, I really appreciate it, I'm really grateful, that is so kind of you, I owe you one. Common phrases to respond to thank you: no problem, no worries, don't mention it, my pleasure, anytime. Common phrases for being tired: I'm exhausted, I'm dead tired, I'm beat, I can hardly keep my eyes open, I'm gonna hit the sack. Next half, okay, how is it going? What's for dinner? What's happening this weekend? Do you have any plans for today? Are you busy or are you free to chat? Where are my keys? What are you getting up to this weekend? Are you keen to get together on Saturday? Okay. Have you got much going on these days? How is your work day looking? Should we grab a bite to eat? Would you like to grab a coffee this afternoon? Would you mind helping me quickly? What are you up to? Could you give me a lift? Can I help you with anything? What time are you getting home today? Should we eat out tonight? How does pizza sound? What do you feel like doing? What are you watching? What are you reading? Are you keen to watch to catch a movie tonight? Can I make you some coffee? Where are you going? Should I take the dog for a walk? How much does it cost? Do you want to meet up next week? We could do dinner on Wednesday tonight. What's on your mind? What's eating you? I see where you are coming. I don't agree. 100% that is exactly how I feel. I really hope so. I doubt it. Never better. Let's get going or we'll be late. Please be quiet for a second. I can't concentrate. I can't think straight. I can't wait to unwind this weekend. Things are looking up. Well, at least things couldn't get worse. So far so good. It's all good. What a waste of time. I need to go to the shops today. Let me know if you need anything. I would love to. I don't feel like it. Bless you. You are being ridiculous. Let it go. It's okay, thank you, let's do it. These are the things which you these are some of the phrases, some of the words, some of the sentences which I have spoken in front of you, so you can use in some of the words, some of the phrases, some of the sentences in your daily conversation. Or else, as I told you, some another techniques, you should watch some videos, so you should watch some TV shows, so where you can learn more words. In this way you can enhance your vocabulary. And I, as I have mentioned so many sentences in front of you, and I have read all these sentences in front of you, in this way you can use these words. You will learn a lot of things in this way. Make practice, practice, practice. Practice is necessary for you if you want to change. If you want to be a good speaker, so you should make daily practice. You should speak on daily basis. In this way you can become a good person, good speaker. So good luck. This is all of from my side for today's lecture. Allah Hafiz. Wish you good luck for your learning language learning journey. Allah Hafiz.